Welcome aboard, friends and fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of athlete nutrition. This isn't just for the pros. These tips can fuel anyone looking to optimize their performance and recovery. Athlete nutrition isn't about strict limitations, but more about fueling your body with the right kind of energy. Athletes have unique dietary needs, requiring more energy and careful nutrient timing to perform at their peak. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Together they make up the holy trinity of an athlete's diet. The key lies in striking the right balance and sourcing these macronutrients from wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to fueling your workouts. Discover how to optimize your energy and recovery with well-timed pre, during, and post-workout meals and snacks. Ever wondered what an athlete eats in a day? We'll walk you through a sample diet plan that emphasizes variety, balance, and whole foods. And let's not forget about hydration. Water is an athlete's best friend. Supplements can give athletes that extra edge, but they should never replace a balanced diet. We'll discuss popular options like protein powder and creatine and how they can fit into your nutrition plan. Hydration plays a critical role in an athlete's performance and recovery. We'll also delve into post-workout nutrition strategies and how to nourish your body to prevent injuries. Hear firsthand from athletes who've reaped the benefits of a well-structured diet. Their stories of triumph and challenge provide valuable insights into the athlete's nutrition journey. To wrap up, remember that athlete nutrition is about fueling your body with the right nutrients at the right time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, these principles can help you perform at your peak and recover more efficiently. So stay tuned for more health and nutrition content. Until next time, keep striving for your best.